Today is day 248 of Blender, and a few days ago I made this little noodle shop, and today I'm gonna make these little steps in Blender. So I'm going to click on General, and then I'm going to go into Edit Mode at the top left corner, go to Edge Select, so I'm able to select the edges, and I'll select this one up here, and then I'll do Control B to add a bevel effect, and I'll use my middle mouse button to scroll up until I see 5 little squares, and then without clicking on anything, I'm going to do 1.5, and then I'm going to left click. And then at the bottom, there should be this little bevel thing that pops up, and I'm going to change the profile type to custom, and then I'm going to change the preset to steps, and then that's literally it. That's my steps. Okay, so then now you go into object mode, and then you can S and then Z to scale down, or you can S and then Y to scale on the y-axis, or you can even do S and then X to make these steps longer, and do whatever you want to do with these. Anyway, that's it for today. Bye.